Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. Now we would like to try to solve the first order ordinary differential equation using the Laplace transform. I hope from the first example you already understand the step, but now we would like to try another question. If you have these types of ODEs questions, so the question asks you to solve using the Laplace transformation techniques. So what you need to do first is you need to identify, you need to check, you need to what we call it understand about the question. So in here, when we see over here, we have first two and three terms. So we have the three term to be transformed using the Laplace. So what you need to do is you have to Laplace the first term. So your first term is y prime. So what you will get from the y primes, you will get s ys and minus with y0. While for Laplacing the second term, so what you will have over here, you will have 3 over here, so you will have ys. And then the last one, you want to Laplace the 13 sine 2t. So what you will get over here is you will have 13 and sine over here. You may refer the table. So the table telling you that when you Laplace the sine to t, you will have 2 over here s squared, and you will have plus with 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Right. So this is the three element that you already transform. Then you need to substitute. Okay, here with 6 because it's already given to you. Okay, y0 is 6. So now you put back, you substitute back. Okay, you substitute back in this equation. So we have s ys, we have minus with 6, and then we have 3 ys, and then the right hand side we have this one. You can combine with this one. We will have 13 multiply with 2, so you will have 26 over x squared plus 4. So you need to bring the simple thing first over here. So here we have negative 6, so it go to the right hand side. So you will have here ys, you are factorizing it, so you have s plus 3 for this one, and then you have 26 s squared plus 4 and plus 6 over here. As I said to you, before we finding ys, we need to simplify this one first. So how to simplify it? You need to simplify its denominator. So what you will have 26 and plus 6x squared plus 24 over s squared plus 4. So now you can have your ys, where your ys is 26 plus 6x squared plus 24 over s squared plus 4, and then you bring the left hand side to the right hand side, you will have s plus 3. Okay, so now you can inverse it. The left hand side you got yt, and then the right hand side, so you need to use the technique to solve it. So how to solve this one? Basically, you need to use the inversion by the partial fraction. So in here, let's solve this one first, because we know that the left hand side is very easy to transform to be yt, and here you will have 26 plus 6s squared plus 24, where 26 and 24 will become here directly. You will have 6s squared plus 50. 6s squared plus 50, and then the denominator over here s squared plus 4, and then we have s plus 3, and x partial fraction form is, look at here, we have this one is irreducible and this one is a linear, so you can have a over s plus 3 and then we have bs plus c. For this one is basically for s squared plus 4. So next you need to equate the denominator of the right hand side with the denominator to the left hand side. So you can cross multiplication. So you will have over here is a multiplied with s squared plus 4 and then you will have bs plus c multiplied with s plus 3. So this one is basically s plus 3 s squared plus 4. Okay, look at here, the denominator is equivalent now. So you may solve the numerator. So what you numerator say? Numerator said 6s squared plus 50 is equal to, you can expand this one. Okay, expand this one and also this one. So what we will get is a s squared plus 4a plus bs squared plus 3bs, okay, plus cs and then plus with the 3c. Okay, so now you may find what is your a, what is your b, and what is your c. So according to this one, as I said to you, you may start with the s power of 0 or you may start with s power of 2. You may start with s power of 2. So let's say I start with s power of 2. So means that I know that the left hand side is 6. And then for the right hand side, I have this one a. And then I have plus b. Okay, so for the s, there is no more s square, right? So for the s power of 1, which is there is no s power of 1 with the left hand side. So it's equal to 0. What about the right hand side? We have this one, 3b, and then we have this one, c. And then finally for the s power of 0, look at here, we have a number, we have 50. And here we have 4a. And here we have 3c. So what you need to do is, you need to solve these three equations simultaneously and find what is A, what is B, and what is C. Okay, I believe that you understand. You may use the calculator, then you will end up having the value of A is 8. This one is minus 2, and this one is 6. Okay, so in that case, what you will have is, okay, the full equation you will have ys is equal to 8s plus 3 minus 2s over s squared plus 4 plus 6. And we have s squared plus 4. So you need to taking the inverse each term. Okay, so I do it one by one over here. So here I have 8. I inverse it this one. 1 over s plus 3 and then minus 2. I inverse it. I will have s over s squared plus 4 and then I have plus 6. I inverse it. I will have 1 over s squared plus 4. Okay, so it's a very easy. For the left hand side, you will have directly yt, and then for the first term over here also is a very easy. You will have 8 exponent negative 3t, and then for this one also will direct get from the table. You will have 2 cos 2t, and then okay, and then for this one you need to be careful because you need to, let me explain to you, you need to inverse. Okay, we have 6 over here, and then you need to put 2 over here since you have 2 squared over here, and then here should be divided by 2. And then for this one, basically you can get directly from the table 8 exponent 3t minus 2 cos 2t, and here we have plus 3. And for this one is a very easy direct from the table, sine 2t. So this is the answer. So I hope you understand and you may continue finding the question, finding the answer for the given question. Alright. So this is for the first order ordinary differential equation. We will continue to solve the second order ordinary differential equation to the next video. Thank you.